In this video, we're going to teach you how to do the low bar barbell box squat. This is a great movement to get started with the squat movement pattern, or if you've got knee pains that you're suffering from. Make sure you stick around to the end because you're going to want to know all the coaching cues that we use in order to get people really strong with this movement pattern.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
Low bar barbell box squat. We use this in phase 1 as it is an excellent introduction to squatting. The low bar position causes more of the movement to come from the hips, which reduces the stress on the knees, increases hamstring and glute flexibility, and strengthens the posterior chain. By using a box, we can ensure you learn the end range safely and effectively. To set up, hold the barbell with a thumbless grip. The bar can be loosely gripped by the hand, meaning that it won't necessarily fit firmly in the palm, though you will clench your fingers tightly to support the bar. The hands should be as close to your body as possible. The closer your hands are to your shoulders, the more flexibility is required. There isn't any problem with having your hands farther apart if that's the limit of your flexibility, but if you can bring your hands closer together, do so. It will create a more rigid upper body, which is useful when squatting. Rest the bar on the back of your deltoids. Lift the elbows up and make a motion with your wrist like you are decelerating on a motorbike. This will bring your wrist in line with your forearms whilst keeping your elbows high and create a solid platform for the barbell to sit on.
Hey there, in case we haven't met, my name's Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the founders of Unity Gym and creators of the UMS, Unify Movement System, where we make people strong, flexible and fit all in 1 hour workouts. Now the video that you're watching is just a portion of the UMS online coaching program. You can grab a 1-month trial, a 30-day free trial if you click the link in the description of this video. Now of course, if you like this video, please click the like button, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to the channel. We post videos like this every week. And if you want to get started with us at all, you can grab one of the blueprints below here. There's the strength blueprint, the flexibility blueprint, the at-home workouts blueprint. We've got a whole bunch of really great freebies that you can get. Or if you want to grab one of our programs, you can grab one of our standalone programs like the 18-minute stretching routine, flexibility masterclass, or Gymnastics Rings masterclass, to name just a few. And as I said before, if you're ready to jump in, really take your results to the next level and see what this amazing UMS online coaching program is like, grab the 30-day free trial where you'll get coached by myself, Richard, and my brother Yanni. Whenever you want, you can upload videos to the private group that we've got and you get access to the full program. 6 days a week of training, 6 different workouts in the week, and new workouts every 4 weeks.
Before attempting the low bar box squat, it's a good idea to get an unloaded barbell or even a dowel rod on your shoulders and sit down on the box. Slowly shift your weight to your feet, getting ready to stand up. At the moment you feel the weight shift from your butt to your feet, stop and take note of this position. This is the end range for the bottom of the low bar barbell box squat. Do a few reps with this unloaded bar or dowel rod to understand the end range. To perform the squat, set up under the bar as per the previous setup cues. Take a deep breath and stand up as you hold your breath. Take 3 small steps backwards. The first foot steps back so the toes line up with the heel of the other foot. The second foot steps back the same distance so the toes line up with the heel. And the third step brings the foot in line and ready for the squat. It's important to note that whenever you lift weights, you hold your breath with your lungs full all the way through each rep. If you need to breathe, you only take a breath at the top of the movement whilst you are paused, and you breathe out only a small amount of your lung capacity before breathing all the way in again and holding your breath for the entire rep. All the way down and back up again, you should be holding your breath. If you can hold your breath for several reps, this is recommended. We do this because breathing out causes the body to relax, reducing strength potential. When you squat, you want your body tense and strong. Mastering this breathing technique is critical for maximal strength development in all weightlifting movements. After the setup, the 3 cues to think of when you perform a low bar box squat are chest up and elbows up, drive the hips back, keep the knees out.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.